In this video, I will be taking you through the comments page on Pulse. The comments page includes all feedback comments that are being left by your clients on Pulse. This can be found at an organisation, a workspace, or a client level. In this case, I've selected it at a workspace level, and this will show all feedback comments left within each client that sits within this workspace. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of all the feedback comments, with details such as the review name in which the comment was left, the name and job title of the recipient who shared the comment, and the name of the client in which the comment was left. You'll also see the date in which the comment was left, and if it's already been marked as reviewed, the date of the review as well. As you can see on the right, you'll be able to see all of these details along with the feedback comment left by the recipient. This for reviewed comments will be accompanied by a note. This note will be left by a Pulse user within the tool. However, you can also review comments, or review feedback comments I should say, without a comment, without a note, as shown here. Please note that once you share a note, that you cannot edit or delete it, and it also can only be shared once. There cannot be any future notes shared on a feedback comment. So please make sure you verify this before marking it as reviewed. We advise that account managers are the ones that share these notes, as they're the ones responsible for sharing reviews and also for following up on any feedback and follow-ups as well. This may change if you want to get your leadership team involved, but please confirm this before leaving these notes. As you'll see, a lot of these feedback comments have been marked as reviewed. However, some will be pending, and these are ones that haven't yet had a note shared or been marked as reviewed. As you'll see, the note section will be blank. So if you wish to add a new note to this feedback comment, you can do so. And once you're happy with your note, select Mark as Reviewed, and this will change the status from pending to reviewed. All feedback comments shared within this workspace in this example will be available. Any feedback comments that have been shared before the comments section was built will also be displayed, and any that have been marked as completed within the dashboard will be marked as reviewed on the comments section. If you have any questions about the comments section, please contact support@myclientshare.com or use the chat functionality in the bottom right. Thanks for listening.